Hey guys, this is Jamie Little Tallulah Poet Spice, and I am here to do the Also Inspired collab with Crafty Al on the 15th of every month. And she gives us our inspiration, and we're supposed to take off from that and create something. In the description box below, you will see the link for the description or the inspiration piece, as well as everybody's links. So definitely go check those out and see what everybody else created. Thanks for watching, and just like subscribe, click that button, like, share. That'll be awesome for everybody here. Now this time it was more of like a rustic kind of fold card, and I decided that I really like the rustic color, so I went with that. And it's getting very close to, well, once you see this video, it's in November, but so I went with a Christmas theme. One of the things I did still have out or handy was the paper that I used, so I used this Christmas cheer paper. I actually used the kit, so there's some pieces in here. This little thing right there. So I don't want to take everything out, but it's from this Christmas cheer. And I got this from Create and Craft 2 Christmases ago, or last Christmas. So as you see, it has that rustic feel. I did not do a fold card. You guys know I am obsessed with boxes. You're probably going to get tired of seeing boxes already. I can't help it. But I love my Tonic Kaleidoscope boxes, and so I went with that again. It was just so cute, and it is going to be Christmas time. So here is the box. It's the 5-sided one, and it's the not tallest, but next to the tallest, I think. And so those little cards, and then these little papers. So I took the cards and die cut them using the insert pieces. They had some already pre-made flowers, and you just layer them up. So I did that, layered those up, put those on there in various, different layers of color. You see the edging here, that's paper out of there. And then they have, I love this die that's in that set, so you get that candy cane looking piece there. There's a Christmas tree from one of those cards that I cut down. Same with the bear. And then you go back to here. So, because you can't do it exactly like every other one, because 2 are always going to be next to each other. So then on the top, I did some more of those poinsettias that they have that you just layer up with the little things to put them on top. And I kind of like just the little red dot or cream dots in the center, because it still has that rustic look, but I might go put something else in there. I don't know. Inside, of course, there's not much. And what I end up doing is they're like hanging around with decorations, and then I end up putting stuff I die cut into them, so they become storage containers. Oh my gosh. Anyway, so yeah, I put that right back on there, so forth. I have a couple tutorials on how to put these various boxes together, so if I can remember, I'll try to link that somewhere. So definitely look at the other ladies' videos. If you're interested in like a kit to make some of these boxes, let me know, so then I can do some cutting of those and put them on my Etsy shop. Okay? All right, thanks for watching. See you guys later. Have a good day.